What's up guys, welcome back to 5.7. Finally the tires are here. As you guys can see, I went with the all red Axis off-road 24 by 12s with the 35-inch tires. Tires are Lancasters MTs. I really think the red wheels with the tan color makes the truck look real good. So in the future I'm actually gonna do my interior like a burgundy red. That's what I want to do with the interior, so the red wheels will tie in with the interior really good. So I'm really excited. I'm happy how these wheels turn out with the tires. It's not too crazy. I was thinking actually going with 24 by 14s and the 12.5-inch tires wide so it can get that stretch look, but for right now I went this route. Maybe later on in the future I can probably swap these tires out. Yeah, right now. And another thing I actually got from this truck, I went ahead and did the headlights on it a while back. The turning signals, even though the turning signal is kind of faded, I want to get that replaced. But I never actually got new tail lights. Here in this box, we have the C style tail lights for the OBS. Really like how they look, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these on too as well right after the tires. So I'm excited, can't wait to see how it looks. Like I said guys on the last video, I will be at the Arizona Truck Fest November 6th. I'll be out there. If you guys want to see the truck, it'll be out there. We'll see what kind of shit we can get into. Let's go ahead and get the jacket and the tires off so we can go ahead and slap these bad boys on. So stay tuned guys. If you haven't already, like the video, subscribe. Guys, let me know in the comments if there's any good brands for like stereo systems, like big ass screen, tablet style radio system for like the OBS's. I haven't really looked into it much, but I know I want to put something crazy like that, like a big 10-inch screen, 8-inch screen, whatever, but something that integrates, something probably that integrates the AC system and all that. Let me know if you guys know of something, know of a company or a brand that has something for this body style. Alright. Shout out to Ice Cream Wheels and Tires. That's where I got the wheels from. And then I actually picked up the tires from Thick Vatos. Shout out to Sergio from Thick Vatos and Isma for referring. You guys, some of you guys know who Isma is, with the blue single cab Silverado with the 4Gs. And shout out to all the YouTubers, all the Troqueando YouTubers, like Freddy LSX, On the Gas, Static Leo, Scarface, Ruben. I know guys, you shouldn't use chrome sockets for impact.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 throw shade.
I think I'm gonna try these 2-inch spacers, see how bad it rubs. I'll definitely have to trim this part right here. Maybe a little bit back here. If I can make those 2-inch work, I'll slap them on.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ons. Take to the top from the baseline. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I am from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7, he's bored though.
I think we're gonna keep these on. You can see it has pretty bad camber. I'll go ahead and take that to the alignment shop to get that fit. It should be good. So let's get all 4 done, and then we'll be right back. There she is, guys. Finally. 24 by 12s on 35-inch tires. Ready for this mother. Things I gotta take care of. The dashboard's cracked. You can see I got the skin for it, the cover that they make that has the same color tone. You just gotta glue it on. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, I want to go ahead and do the interior on it. It's gonna be like a red burgundy, kind of match the red of the wheels. I actually want to do a wrap color that's simple, but it's really gonna tie in the wheels a little bit better. So I got that in mind. So stay tuned. Now that the tires are on, obviously I have to trim. I have to trim a little bit right here on the bumper, a lot on the plastic. You don't want to see that. It's kind of boring. I can show you the aftermath of it after I trim it. But next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick up the tools a little bit, and then I'm actually gonna start putting the tail lights on. So let's go ahead and pick up a little bit. I actually never had replaced the tail lights, so finally these are an upgrade from the originals. So I'm happy how it turned out. So now we gotta just drive it, test drive it. Obviously do some trimming right here in the fenders and on the bumper, but that's just minor stuff. Stay tuned, there's a lot more that's gonna come for this truck. So if you haven't already, guys, just make sure you like the video, subscribe, and stay till the next one. Peace.